Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to these practice questions on Python. These questions are based on Python Developer Certification by Vskills. For a simulated exam on Python, visit www.vskills.in. Question 1. Which of the following options is the shortcut key in Windows to exit the interpreter prompt? The correct answer is option A. Question 2. What numeric value a Python variable can be assigned, other than float and integer? The correct answer is option B. Question 3. Multiple Python statements can be placed in one physical line by separating them with which of the following? The correct answer is option C. Question 4. The third value in the range function refers to which of the following options? The correct answer is option D. Question 5. Which integrated development environment is bundled with Python distribution? The correct answer is option A. Question 6. The pass statement is used for which of the following? The correct answer is option C. Question 7. Python commands can be executed directly by interpreter with using which of the following switch? The correct answer is option D. Question 8. No value in Python is assigned by which of the following? The correct answer is option A. Question 9. The escape character /F is used for what purpose? The correct answer is option B. Question 10. A global variable is global across? The correct answer is option C. Question 11. The listing of attributes and methods of user-defined class is generated by? The correct answer is option D. Question 12. Which of the following is true for when a module is imported for first time? The correct answer is option A. Question 13. An imported module is stored as which of the following? The correct answer is option B. Question 14. A module imported using a variant by import statement does not import which of the following? The correct answer is option C. Question 15. The character used to indicate end of a block is? The correct answer is option D. Question 16. Find the value of x from this expression. The correct answer is option A. Question 17. Find the value of x from this expression. The correct answer is option B. Question 18. Find the value of x from this expression. The correct answer is option C. Question 19. Which of the following data structure is not a sequence? The correct answer is option D. Question 20. What is the given expression used for? The correct answer is option A. Question 21. Where is a docstring placed in a module? The correct answer is option B. Question 22. How many arguments the help function can take? The correct answer is option C. Question 23. The base class for all built-in exceptions is? The correct answer is option D. Question 24. The base class for all user-defined exceptions is? The correct answer is option A. Question 25. Which type of exception is raised when an operation or function is applied to an object of inappropriate type? The correct answer is option B. Question 26. What is the output of the following code? The correct answer is option C. Question 27. What is the output of the following code? The correct answer is option D. Question 28. What does the return statement without expression argument returns? The correct answer is option A. Question 29. Addition of function name in the current symbol table is done by which of the following? The correct answer is option B. Question 30. What is the output of the following code? The correct answer is option C. Question 31. All keyword arguments except for those corresponding to a formal parameter are contained in. The correct answer is option C. Question 32. What is the output of the following function definition? The correct answer is option B. Question 33. The variadic arguments, beyond the formal parameter list, are contained in which of the following? The correct answer is option C. Question 34. Syntactically, lambda forms are restricted to how many expressions? The correct answer is option D. Question 35. The second line of a multi-line document string is? The correct answer is option A. Question 36. Slices from a list are removed by which of the following? The correct answer is option B. Question 37. Which of the following data structure is immutable? The correct answer is option C. Question 38. Presence of a single key in the dictionary is done by which of the following? The correct answer is option D. Question 39. Retrieving both key and value while traversing a dictionary is done by which method? The correct answer is option A. Question 40. What is the zip function is used for? The correct answer is option B. Question 41. Which function is used to traverse a sequence in reverse direction? The correct answer is option C. Question 42. The module name is stored by which variable? The correct answer is option D. Question 43. Reloading a module when it has already been imported is done by using which function? The correct answer is option A. Question 44. The option given at command line interface during interpreter invocation to ignore all Python environment variables is? The correct answer is option B. Question 45. The option given at command line interface during interpreter invocation to discard docstrings for optimization is? The correct answer is option C. Question 46. The version number of current Python environment is checked by using which module? The correct answer is option D. Question 47. Which environment variable is used to change the location of Python libraries? The correct answer is option A. Question 48. Text encoding in Python 3 is done in which of the following? The correct answer is option B. For Python certification and more practice tests, visit www.vskills.in. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.